Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I am Yogan. Today we will start with the Python introduction, and this will be our first video with respect to the Python course that I have announced. Okay, so let's have a look on the Python introduction. First, we will understand what is the Python, where do we use Python, what all are the application of the Python. Okay, so Python is a high-level interpreted and dynamic type programming language. It supports object-oriented programming as well. Okay, so what is the meaning of the high level? High level means that it is very easy to understand, very easy to write and read the code. We can understand it very easily. Okay, interpreted means in the Python the code execute line by line. Okay, let's suppose if you write the full line of code, then it will first start from the first line, and it come to the second line and third line and fourth line. It runs sequentially. Okay, so this is the meaning of the interpreted. Okay, and the dynamic type, what is the meaning of the dynamic type? So in the Python we no need to assign the data type while assigning the variable, any variable to any value to the variable. Okay, let's suppose uh, let's take an example. Okay, so if I want to assign 10 to a, okay, so I can write like this only. This is very easy, and I can print this value as well. So so here I do not need to assign the data type of this value. Okay, if you write this in the C++, you will write like this. You have to assign the data type, and you need to put the semicolon colon as well. Here you no need to put the semicolon and colon. You can print it like this is very easy in the Python. Okay, so this is the difference between the Python and the other languages. That's why we say Python as a high level language. Okay, now let's come to the PPT. Okay, so Python syntax are very easy as compared to the other language. I just showed you the example where we do not need to put the colon or semicolon. Okay, we can write like this. Okay, so now come to the history of the Python. So Python was introduced by the Guido van Rossum in 1989, and the first version of Python was released in 1991. And the first, I mean, 1.0 version of the Python was released in 1994 with some additional features like lambda, map, filter. We will learn about it in our going forward sessions and classes. And then Python 2.0 version was released with a few additional features, and currently we are using 3.x version. We will going to use a 3.x version in our classes as well. Okay, now have a look on the feature of Python. So as I told you, Python is very easy to implement. Python is very easy to learn. Okay, it is freely available. It is open source. Python is a high level language. Python has a rich library support. We have plenty of libraries in Python, so it will easy our life, irrespective of writing a code. So we will learn about all these things in going forward classes. Okay, so Python is used in almost every field, every domain. You can take example of any domain. You can take the AI, you can take web development, game development, AI, data science. You can take any domain. Portable across operating systems. Yeah, Python is portable across operating systems, means we can use Python with the any operating systems, OS, Linux, Windows. You can take anyone, and it supports GUI programming as well. Yes, it is. It supports GUI programming. We will learn about the Thinker, okay, which we use in the desktop or develop desktop applications. Okay, so it was the introduction of the Python. I hope you liked it. uh, Please subscribe my channel so you will get the notification as soon as I upload the video.